Woke up with a fire in my chest, chasing dreams. No time for rest. The sky's wide open. No change, no gate. The road is calling. Can't be late. I hear the wind shout my name. It's wild, untamed. No rules, no shame. Feel the freedom, it's in the air. Feel the freedom everywhere. No more war, no more life. Feel the freedom, it's yours and mine. Mountains crumble, rivers run free. Horizon whispers, come and see. Every heartbeat pounds like a drum. The future's waiting, here I come. The stars above, they guide my way. No night too dark, no dawn delay. Feel the freedom, it's in the air. Feel the freedom everywhere. No more war, no more life. Feel the freedom, it's yours and mine. In the still of the night, I hear it call. A whisper so faint, yet it shakes it all. Through the cracks in my mind, it slips like a melody lost on trembling lips.
Shadows waltz where the light won't start, carving paths and echoes of my heart.
Oh, the echoes of my heart, they sing
A song of love, a fragile string.
every note a tear that falls apart.
In the echoes of my heart.
Ooh. Your silhouette lingers in the air, a ghost of touch that isn't there. Every step I take, you're near, but it's just the echo I fear. They say time heals, but it left a scar. I trace it nightly under the stars. Yet I'm trapped in the echoes of my heart. Oh, the echoes of my heart, they sing
a song of love, a fragile string.
every note until it falls apart.
In the echoes of my heart.
Oh, the echoes of my heart, they sing
A song of love, a fragile string.
every note until it falls apart.
In the echoes of my heart.
Under the empty sky, I wander slow. The wind, it whispers things I'll never know. Shadows stretch long, they don't say goodbye. I walk and I walk till my shoes run dry. Under the empty sky, no reason, no rhyme, no why. I'm searching for something I can't define. Under the empty sky. The trees stand still like they're holding their breath. Each step feels closer to life or to death. A crow calls out, but I don't reply. I keep on moving under the empty sky. The stars won't answer. The moon just stares under the empty sky. No reason, no rhyme, no why. I'm searching for something I can't define. Under the empty sky. Maybe the sky's not empty at all. Maybe it's waiting for me to fall. Maybe it's laughing, maybe it cries, or maybe it's hollow, just like my life. Pale moonlight, pale moonlight, pale moonlight, pale moonlight. The clock ticks slow, then not at all. The air grows heavy, I hear it call. A song of stars that lost their shine. A melody wrapped in crooked time. Every echo, every sigh, every shadow asking why. Oh, the lonely night, it sings to me a chant of what will never be. Oh, the lonely night, it holds me tight, a dance of whispers in the pale moonlight. Pale moonlight, pale moonlight, pale moonlight. The dark it laughs, the dark it weeps, the secrets it hides, the secrets it keeps. A chorus of silence, a choir of fear. Lonely nights chant, it's all I hear. The moon taps its feet on the edge of the night. Stars blink twice like they're caught in a fight. I hear a rhythm where silence should hum. Oh, it's the beat of those smiling drums. Echoes bouncing off the hill, chasing shadows, chasing thrills. Smiling drums, they're calling me through the forest, through the sea. Smiling drums, they set me free. Boom, boom, laugh with the beat. Clouds clap hands as the sky turns pink. The river giggles, the horizon wings. My feet start dancing, they've lost control. Smiling drums whisper straight to my soul. Every heartbeat, every sound keeps my spirit spinning round. Smiling drums, they're calling me through the forest, through the sea. Smiling drums, they set me free. Boom, boom, laugh with the beat. closer, sunlight's pulling us. We're over, dance in the sun. Oh, dance, dance, feel the glow. This is your chance. Dance in the sun. Oh, spin, spin, let it out, let it begin. Begin, begin. The room breathes slow and shadows deep. A clock that ticks but dares not speak. I hear the hum. It's under my skin. Where do I end? Where do I begin? The silence between beats, it screams so loud. A hidden rhythm wrapped in a shroud. It's the space that holds the sound, the space that holds me. The silence between beats, it sets me free. Footsteps fall but leave no trace. A mirrored world, an empty face. The walls lean in, the ceiling sighs. I blink once and time rewinds. Do you feel it crawl through the static wall? The silence between beats, it screams so loud. A hidden rhythm wrapped in a shroud. It's the space that holds the sound, the space that holds me. The silence between beats, it sets me free. A whisper's wait, a heavy ache, a breath held tight, a glass that breaks each pause. A universe untold and vast, each beat a future, each silence a path. coffee cup, spilled it wide and drank it up. The taste of sunlight, bright and new, painted the morning in every hue. The color of happiness, it changes fast, a golden glow that'll never last. Sometimes it's red, sometimes it's blue, but when it's with you, it's every hue. Dance with shadows, chase the green, laughed with the orange in between. Caught a whisper from the violet sky. It sang, don't ask how, just wonder why. Every shade, every tone, it's a feeling, not a storm. The color of happiness, it shifts like sand, a fleeting spark in an open hand. Sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's shy, but when it's with you, it's a firefly. Gray days try to steal the shine, but I mix my palette and it's mine. Neon dreams and pastel schemes, life's a canvas, stitch the seam.
I saw the sun break through the night, chasing shadows left and right. Feet on fire, hearts collide. No place to run, nowhere to hide. Feel the heartbeat of joy. Oh, let it shake, let it glow. Oh, through the chaos, through the noise. All I hear is the heartbeat of joy. City lights, they paint the sky. Echoes dance, they amplify. Every step a spark of flame. We're alive, we're untamed. Oh, the rhythm it calls. Oh, it breaks through the walls. Feel the heartbeat of joy. Oh, let it shake, let it glow. Oh, through the chaos, through the noise. All I hear is the heartbeat of joy. Oh, like thunder under my skin. This is where the world begins. No map moves, just a spin of the world as it pulls me in. Oh,
whisper secrets to the night. Waves hum a tune, salty and wild. Summer spirit like a carefree child. Feel it in the air, summer spirit. Every heartbeat louder, can you hear it? Dance like the ocean, sway like the breeze. Summer spirit, it's the magic we seize. Flip-flops tapping on a sunburned road. Mango dreams in a melting cold. Ice cream dripping, sticky and sweet. Summer spirit in every heartbeat. It's in the laughter, the colors, the fire, fueling every crazy desire. Feel it in the air, the summer spirit. Every heartbeat louder, can you hear it? Dance like the ocean, sway like the breeze. Summer spirit, it's the magic we seize. Fireflies blinking in twilight's glow. Chasing shadows we'll never know. A carnival ride in a starry sky. Summer spirit never says I hear the beat, the shadows sway, lost in the dark. Can't find my way. Whispers calling, calling my name. Broken soul, but I play the game. Dance, dance, to weep. Dance, dance, broken soul, lose control, lose control. Heartbeats wild, take a chance, feel alive in the broken soul. Dance, spinning, spinning round and round. Silence screams, no one hears the sound, but the music pulls me through. Broken soul, what else to do? Feet on fire, but the ground so cold. The night is young, but it's feeling old. A shadow moves where the light won't hold. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Hands up high, like the stars won't fall. Heart beat loud, like a rebel's call. Move with love, don't fight the sound. Let it lift you, spin you round. Move with love, no need to try. It's the rhythm, let it fly. Lost in the glow of electric skies. Your body sings what your heart denies. A stranger smiles with familiar eyes. Can you see it? Can you see it? Feel the pulse as the tidal wave. Lose yourself, let the moment save. Move with love, don't fight the sound. Let it lift you, spin you round. Move with love, no need to try. It's the rhythm, let it fly. A whisper broke the silence in the room. The candle flickered like it felt the gloom. Shadows dance but they never speak. stories I can't hear. The clock ticks slower, drowning in fear. Each strike of the mallet feels like regret. A melody I'll never forget. Why does the sound pull me in? Why does it scratch beneath my skin? Tears on the drum, they echo low. Every beat tells me what I know. A rhythm of sorrow, a broken hum. All that's left are tears on the drum. Bang, bang, it's a hollow cry. Each it's a truth I can't deny. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but the drum plays on till the tears subside. Caught in the static of a restless night. Dreams are whispers that won't ignite. A spark, a flare, just out of sight. But I see you there, a beacon in the haze. We're more than shadows, more than yesterday. Let's shine together, brighter than the stars, light the dark. No matter where we are, hand in hand, we'll go so far. dead of night. Every tick was heavy. Every talk felt tight. Your shadow lingers where the moonlight falls. A ghost in the corners, dancing on the walls. A rhythm